In honor of your anniversary,
we want you to feel the atmosphere of celebration right now.
The celebration which you deserve.
We'd like to present you our congratulation.
As our greeting, we would like to show the beauty of our historical city.
Our Department of Kazan State University, our wise teachers and our grateful students. A teacher is
someone who is wise, who cares about the students.
It wears no disguise, which is honest and open and shares from the heart.
Not just lessons from books, but life where you are.
A teacher takes time to have a tutor.
With English or math or the computer.
is a teacher who's patient even in stress, who never gives less than the very best.
My dear colleagues, I am so sorry that I cannot be with you at this moment. The work we are doing together is very important, not only to teach people English, but also to unite the whole world. Because what we are doing, we are breaking the boundaries. We are showing that the world is one. That's why I hope that you will reach new decisions which will improve the reality and in the environment, not only for us but also for the generations to come. I would like to pass you my best wishes and to wish you to have a pleasant work and stay in Voronezh. I hope that next time we will gather again in Kazan, because we still remember the time we spent together and all pleasant people we had here.